Welcome to Vocab Mania Video 3 by Class English. We will discuss some confusing words today.
Okay, ma'am.
How is amiable different from amicable?
I have never heard of amicable, but I know some amiable persons. Amiable means lovable.
Yes, amiable means lovable. And amicable means friendly.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, what do you mean by altogether and altogether?
This I know, ma'am. Altogether means in a body. And altogether means completely.
That's absolutely correct. Now tell me, how is ale different from ale?
Ma'am, I know the meaning of ale but not ale. Ale means to be ill.
Yes, correct. Ale means to be ill and ale means a drink. It's time to do quick revision of what we have learned today.
Sure, ma'am, let me repeat. Amiable means lovable. Amicable means friendly. Altogether means in a body. And altogether means completely. Ale means to be ill. And ale means a drink.
Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos and hit that bell icon for notification.